Hello and welcome back to my channel. Those who are new here, this is Shantani and today I'm going to show you how I decorated our living room for Christmas, and during that process I also did some DIYs. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, then welcome guys. It's so nice to have you here. Please take a minute to subscribe to my channel before your way out, so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's get started. Christmas is not complete without lighting, so I'm gonna make a candle stand with this glass I had for like long time. It has some birthday stickers on it, so we never really use it. I'm gonna apply little silver acrylic paint on the sticker first. It didn't cover much, so now I'm just gonna cover it up with some multi-purpose glue. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spread some silver glitters on top of the glue. I need to press firmly so that the glitters sticks on the surface. After I'm done, I will just let it dry. Meanwhile, you must have noticed those moose ornaments in the background in my last video. Well, I'm not going to use them as ornament. Instead, I'm going to glue one on top of a jar lid, which I already covered with glitters in the same way. So I bought few flat back marbles from my local thrift store for $1.99 and hot gluing them on a glass container, which is actually a yogurt container. When I'm done covering with the whole surface, I'm gonna attach it on the bottom of the glass, if it makes sense. I turned the glass upside down and put some pine cones inside it. I think it turned out really pretty. What do you think? Comment below and let me know. For this gorgeous candle stand, I need a gorgeous tray. I bought this mirror for 99 cents from my local thrift store and ordered some mirror self-adhesive paper online. I roughly measured them and cut them out. I'm gonna stick them carefully and cut both corners in 45-degree angles. Once all four sides are done, it does not look like a 99 cents mirror anymore. It looks awesome! So the moose ornaments I was talking about, well, I bought them from Dollar Tree, and now I'm gonna just go ahead and attach the marbles in the same way with the leads. The reason I first covered the lid with glitters because I want the shine to come through the marbles. I don't know how much the camera can capture, but it looks very gorgeous and shiny. Now I am using them as a centerpiece of our coffee table, and it is definitely an eye candy. The small tray is from Walmart and I think it just completes the look. What do you think? This food DIY is very easy and quick. I normally use this tray every year. This year I'm gonna spray some silver paint on above so that it looks like snow. By the way, the tree and the paint both are from Walmart. Now I'm gonna clean up the fireplace area first and then place the tree. I was worried because while spraying I accidentally covered a few bulbs, but it does not seem to matter now because the lights are coming through. Yay! This train is full of M&Ms and I bought it from Ross. Now it's time to decorate the tree. I wrapped this ribbon in zigzag way. This pine cone is from our garden, by the way. The tree is all ready for party now. If you are busy this year and don't have enough time for decorating, this is perfect. Meanwhile, I'm gonna clean up the living room. Guys, my floor is always this messy, and that's what happens when you are a DIY addict. As I mentioned, I'm really busy this year, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use a duster to clean up the surface quickly. I'm not going for a deep cleaning this time. Toys have been always a problem in our household. Every room needs some toy storage area or box. So I made this box and keeping a few toys in it. The best place to hide the toy box is behind the couch. I moved our couch a little forward from the wall and stored all kind of toys behind it. And that's the magic, no one can see it. Now vacuuming the floor as quickly as possible. I am all for a quick cleaning today. So I'm not gonna move the furnitures today. I am just trying to reach under the furnitures as much as I can, and that's it for now. You just can't ignore the couch if yours is like mine. I found all kind of finger foods and small toys under these cushions, so vacuuming is essential. Once I'm done, it feels clean and new again. This picture holder is from Ross and I am in love with it. I'm gonna display more Christmas photos soon because it has around 14 clips for 14 photos. You know, I thought keeping candles on candle stand is boring, so I just placed few ornaments and decorated with some LED string lights from Walmart. This blue bottle is from TJ Maxx and this white fairy lights are from Dollar Tree. So I just decided to stop today because there are more things to do. I guess the living room looks really nice and clean, and more importantly, ready for Christmas. I also made this lantern and this card display, which I will show you in my next video with some more fun projects. Again, this wreath is totally handmade and I will show you in my next video. Hope you really like this video, and if you do, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I will come back next week with some more fun projects. Till then, stay well. Bye. Hey, are you trying to destroy my decoration now? Love you.